In front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Apps section available here. This way you will get access to POCO's App Cloner by hitting Dual Apps. Now you can either click on gray switches next to your apps to clone them right away, or if you want to clone one of the recommended ones, click on the chosen one and tap on gray switcher next to Dual Apps. If you never used App Cloner before, you will need to confirm your choice in the pop-up. In case of recommended apps, you can also click on Share to WhatsApp and wait using Google Assistant to tap on one of those options. Always ask Dual App or Default App. When you finished, you can simply go back to check out all of your cloned apps. If you wanna remove one of them, you can uninstall it like you would any other app. Or you can go back to the same section in your settings and use no blue switches. Then confirm your choices in the pop-ups by hitting OK each time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!